What's up YouTube, VampEV here, and today we're going to talk about something really interesting. A wireless charger? No, not really. So Tesla released yesterday a wireless charger. However, it's not wireless in the way you think it is. It's actually wireless fidelity or Wi-Fi. Give me a thumbs up if you didn't know what Wi-Fi stood for. Now you do. Learn something new. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Anyways, so one of Tesla's employees tweeted out that the new charger was live. It is a glass charger. It looks very much like something you would see in iRobot. Very future-y, very Apple-esque vibes from it. I definitely imagine it can only look so much better in person as opposed to the photo since it is glass. However, it does have a new function with it, which is wireless. The charger now has Wi-Fi, and so what might that be used for? And I've been thinking about it, and so I've made some predictions on like future uses, like what really could be the point of a car charger, the wall charger that you can have installed. What is the point of that having Wi-Fi? What bonus does it have? It charges your car. Let's dive in. Alright, so one thing that I thought of was to get the data from the vehicle and from charging, perhaps to see actual charge rates or the amount that it is pulling from the wall as far as electricity goes, and then comparing that to the efficiency. Maybe Tesla wants that data. I'm not sure what data they could acquire that they don't already from the vehicle itself, but that could be one use for it. Another thing that I thought it could be used for would be to control the charging speed rates. If you are wanting to lower the voltage from that 240 that you get from the wall and maybe make it lower, like 160 or something like that. I'm not sure why anyone would want to, unless if there's some way that that would help the battery life in the future. Maybe it has something to deal with the battery and investment day that's coming up with that 1 million mile powertrain, million mile batteries, maybe, you know, where you don't have to get your battery pack changed out until the car has essentially gone 1 million miles. Maybe for preserving life of that, they would need that to charge at a slightly lower rate. Who knows? But that's just my thoughts. Another thing is, I don't imagine we're gonna be here with our chargers playing games, you know what I'm saying? One thing that I thought of as well was app charging reminders, which could be huge, especially since I've seen stories where people forgot to charge their car on Twitter. So that could definitely be useful if they need that. Be like, charger, remind me to charge in 20 minutes. Okay. And then just to like double back, another thing I was thinking about is, you know, to measure efficiency, maybe Tesla's wanting to see how much or how efficient their chargers are with energy loss, as far as like, you know, heat energy can transfer into heat energy and be lost during the process of conversion, to see how much they pull from the wall to the charger to the car, and see, you know, from start to finish how much energy is lost to maybe increase efficiency. That could be something. Again, I do feel like though part of it is for the new batteries that we're going to be hearing about, because they've updated it. They also removed all their old chargers from the website. Here in a moment we'll take a look at both of those. Another thing is, so Tesla's already from the app, you can charge and stop charging. However, like you can set a charge limit. However, maybe with the new Wi-Fi on the charger, you're able to just stop charging at any moment, so you can just keep it plugged in, start, stop, start, stop from the app. If you can already do that, my bad again, you know, I don't own a Tesla, so if you can already do that, let me know in the comments below. Finally, the last thing that I thought of would be, with that, it should get like updates or be update capable. It might be able to be used to charge other vehicles. So I do know that Tesla has a different charging model, which is why you need adapters whenever you're using another charger, because, well, obviously one of it doesn't fit, but Tesla also has the charger charger exists inside of the car itself as opposed to the actual plug-in portion, whereas the cord essentially just brings the energy and then the car essentially like generates the charge, if that makes sense. I'm probably doing a horrible job of explaining that, and I'm sorry. Those who know, but essentially the charger exists within the car itself, the charging portion. But yeah, so if the Tesla wall chargers, that would open them up to a larger market. They would be able to sell their chargers more. Then also, I imagine the chargers are profitable, which would again, you know, help their charging, help their sales, help their profitability. So that could be huge. Those were my thoughts on what it's good for. Now we're gonna go ahead and hop over. We're gonna look at the website, have their website pulled up. Also with the Wayback Machine, looking at the previous Tesla chargers, and we'll go ahead and discuss those differences that I see there. Take it away, me. Thank you, me. Oh, I'll be taking it from here. So first, I do apologize. The audio is going to get better with the camera. I've just been making some small mistakes. My bad. But let's go ahead and get started. So this is the new charger that's on Tesla's website. If we look over here, you'll see that this is already new Wi-Fi connectivity. This is essentially like what wireless fidelity is. That's like, I guess, the frequency that it operates on. And then it does mention that, let's go ahead and look at it. Charge at home anytime. Tesla wall connector provides a full charge overnight for every home owner. Every homeowner? Chargers for everybody? With customized power settings, which might, as I said, to be able to control it. You might have already been able to do that. I might just be stupid. But to be able to control the amount of power that you output, the lightweight design allows for versatile indoor, outdoor use, including a range of electrical system and mounting options. Monitor your charge with the Tesla app and receive notifications when complete. Wi-Fi connectivity enables over-the-air firmware updates. I don't know why your charger needs firmware updates unless if it's going to be available for more things in the future. You know what? It might be for the Model Y and the Tesla Roadster. The Tesla Roadster and the Model Y might have to charge at different rates. 45 miles of range per hour per charge. Compatible with Model S, Model X, and Model 3. C, it might need updates to be compatible with the Y. Up to 48 amp outlook, 11.5 kilowatts. Customizable power levels on a range of circuit breakers. So I think that we'll look at the other one in a moment. Compatible with any home electrical system. Ooh, that might be new. With the Wi-Fi, approved for indoor-outdoor installation, white tempered glass faceplate. And see, huge Apple vibes, by the way. Huge. And it's got the installation. Now, this is from the Wayback Machine. This was taken in December of 2019. I think the date's like right up here. My face is covering it. But so see, it was a Tesla Mate Black charger, the gloss black wall charger. And its feature says charge your battery from 0 to 100 as little as 7 hours, up to 11.5 kilowatts, up to 11.5. Same. Customizable power settings for maximum charge rates. So you might have already been able to do that. It might not have been, however, able to do from the app. You might have only been able to do it from the vehicle. If you guys know 100%, let me know in the comments below. Please. 24-inch cable. Did it mention cable length? It did not. Can be installed by any licensed electrician. For owners with multiple Teslas, up to 4 wall chargers can share available power, making it possible to charge multiple Tesla vehicles at home. And then, so here's one thing. It does show, different breakers for different Teslas. However, you know, there's that Wi-Fi. I think it might be in-app charging, that it might see, you know, that in-app availability to change the rate in which it's charging as far as electricity goes, not, you know, just modifying the percentage. Again, these could have been features. Unfortunately, I don't own a Tesla. Maybe someday. So if you guys can do your best to help keep me informed, I would absolutely appreciate that. I want to provide you guys with the best content that I can. But I do think that with this, it opens the door for the charger to do a lot more, just because they want to update it. What would they update? Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below, and feel free to hit that like button. It would help me out. And if somebody wants to subscribe, that'd be great. I do plan on making content 2 times a week. I want to make it 3, but we're going to do 2 for now, just to make sure you guys can get those consistent uploads. And thank you guys so much for watching.